Guys, good day and thank you for being a part of this training for today. My name is Taiwo and today we'll be looking at a different topic entirely under Mikrotik. Yesterday we discussed about how to set a Mikrotik radio to defaults and do some other basic setting. But today we'll be looking at how to set a password on the Mikrotik. We'll also discuss on how to assign an IP address to the radio. In addition, we'll be looking at how to identify your radio on the network, how to change the identity of your radio on a cloud network or a complex network. Then we'll also look at how to ping a radio or an IP address on the radio itself. So let's begin. As we discussed yesterday, you start with the Winbox, you refresh and connect to the right radio you want to connect to. Then first and foremost, I want us to discuss to look at how to assign a password to the radio. To do that, what you just need to do is to locate the system on the radio, click on the system, and on the drop, you select the password. The default password is blank, so there is no need to put anything on an old password. So then on the new password, you can easily assign your preferred password. And please don't forget to write it down before inputting the password, or just ensure it's a password you can't forget easily. So right now I'm closing the radio, then I'll try to reconnect. As you can see, this is the radio connects, it will not log in. The reason is we've created a password and we have to input the password. So I'm inputting the password now. Connects. And we are in the radio. So that's the simple step on how to assign a password to a Mikrotik radio connector. This system, these steps works on all Mikrotik because they use the same software. So secondly, we'll be looking at how to assign an IP address. So what you just need to do is to come to the IP, then click on the addresses. Click on add. There is the add button. Click on it. So you can add your IP address 192.168. Possibly 10.200. Okay. Then you can link it to bridge 1 that we created the other time. So you can see it has created a network IP range, which is 10.100. Then the 200, sorry. Then click on OK and close. So if you try to ping it, you can come to the system now, CMD, ping 192.168.10.200. Oh, sorry. The reason why that didn't work is because the IP address of my LAN network card is not on the same subnet. So before you proceed on that, you have to ensure you change the LAN card of your network of your system, to the IP range of the radio you want to ping. So let me name it 54 and OK, close. So we can now come to this point and try to ping. So it should reply. It should reply. 10.200. Okay. Let's check it again. Okay. Let's check it again. Okay. Also, we can do the pinging on the radio itself. This is the radio. Then if you want to pick from the radio, you just come to the tools and you locate ping. This is ping 192.168.0.200. Ping starts. So this simply means it is yet to authenticate the IP address we created. So you click on IP address, double click. Oh, sorry, /24. Don't forget to add that if you are using 255.255.255.0 range, and click on OK. So it will be able to create a range for it. Let's try to ping it now. You can see it's replying. I'm using the command prompt. This is the command prompt, and it's replying very well. Then you can also ping from the tools, ping, and then you can click on start. Starts. Sorry. 10.200, not 0.200. You can see it's replying at a very meaningful speed, 0 milliseconds. So this simply means the system is having a very good connection with this particular IP address that we are pinging. And don't forget, you can ping any IP address that is on your network from this pinging mode of the radio. So if you have a system, maybe you have a point-to-point radio connection between a system in one region to another region, you can use this mode to ping the radio at the other end from your management end. So this is very simple, and I think it's something you can try at your own convenience. Just try to get a Mikrotik radio and give it a shot. I'm sure it's something you would like to do. Then lastly, I want us to look at how to create an identity. As you can see, what you can see here right now is Mikrotik. Mikrotik is the name of the radio. So, but you can create an identity that will be able to differentiate a particular radio from the cloud or from the crowd. So what you only need to do is to come to system identity. So this Mikrotik, okay, let me change it to tech today. So click on apply. Before applying, you can see this is Mikrotik. So just once you click on apply, it's immediately changed to tech today. So what that simply means is if you have maybe tech today HQ, apply, okay. So what that simply means is if you have a multiple radio on your network, so with this identity, you'll be able to tell that, okay, this is the radio in Canada, this is the radio in US, this is the radio in Australia. So you'll be able to identify each of the radio effectively. So, you know, Mikrotik is a very complex and dynamic radio to use. You can use it to do lot of things. So, but the key thing is to know the basics and keep up with the tutorial. Just try as much as possible to subscribe to our channel. So with this channel, I'm sure you'll be able to get all the necessary information you will need from Mikrotik. So thank you, and okay, before signing out for today, just click on exit and know we are done for today. Thank you and God bless. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like button on the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.